Hi, in this video I will show you how to easily bar lace up New Balance 480. Take the laces and insert them into the bottom two holes. Then take the right half of the lace and thread it through the right third hole. Then take the left lace and thread it through the left second hole. Now take the left lace and thread it through the right hole. Take the right lace and thread it through the right hole. Continue to the end. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.